Hello, we're going to start doing functional muscle testing. So the first thing you really want to do is have them do the range of motion, because if they can't go through a full range, then they are automatically at a, I believe, 3. So you don't do any muscle testing on that at that point. So we're going to just actually go through the individual motions and show you where to test. Okay, so we're going to do flexion. So go ahead and do a full range of flexion. Going forward. Thank you. So let's, can you go give me any more?
That's it.
That's it? Okay, that's still in range. So we're going to test at mid-range, and what we're going to do is we're going to isolate and stabilize the joints above and proximal to the joint, and we're going to push pressure against. So what I want you to do is kind of push and make sure that they're in a stable position, feet flat, back straight, face forward, and you're going to test against this. So go ahead and push against my hand. Okay, good.
Shoulder flexion.
Shoulder flexion, and then push down. Good.
Shoulder extension.
And then now we're going to go into adduction and abduction, abduction and adduction. So you're going to go out to the side, basically mid-range again, isolate and stabilize here. So you're going to push against my hand. Good.
Is that adduction or abduction?
When you're pushing down, then they're testing abduction. And then below you're testing adduction.
Awesome.
Okay. Next move is we're going to do horizontal, internal or horizontal abduction and adduction. So if you want to kind of just put your arm in this position, you're going to stabilize. Okay, push against my hand. Good. And then push against my hand. Good. Okay, we're going to do internal and external rotation. Make sure that the elbow's against their side. And this is the only one that you're going to cross a joint. So cross 2 joints, which is typically dangerous, but that's the only way to test this. So we're going to stabilize over here on the shoulder, and then we're going to put a pressure, or opposing pressure over here. So go ahead and pull towards you.
And what are you testing there?
That is horizontal adduction, and this is abduction.
Awesome. Hey, thank you.
Okay. That's all the shoulder joints. All right. Shoulder motions. Next, we're going to do elbow. So we're going to do flexion and extension. Okay. So this is when we're going to stabilize over here, just proximal and above the elbow joint, and we're going to go mid-range, and we're going to go ahead and push against this one. Good. And that's for flexion, and then below, push against that. That's for extension. Okay, we're not going to do supination or pronation. We're going to do some wrist stuff. So you need a table for this. You're going to put your arms over the table. So we're gonna work on wrist flexion and extension. So we're gonna stabilize the wrist, and we're gonna push pressure against. So this is gonna be for extension. So push against my hand, good, and push against my hand. That's for flexion, good. And then we're gonna go deviation. So we're gonna put it again, stabilize the joint, and go ahead and push against my hand down. Yes, that's for ulnar. And then go ahead and push against my hand. There you go. That's for radial.
And please notice how Chris had him Mary and not have her thumb in the way, because you want to be pressing against the finger and not the thumb
And,
for the correct way.
That's pretty much it, right?
All right, you guys, awesome.